So, question from the chat regarding size of commits from Joseph. I would expect they use conventional commit messages, or at minimum, keep them small and clearly defined.
We have a couple of people that have a couple of different. We've used conventional. We tried to talk about conventional commits. We've also got Arlo's conventional commits. No, we don't. No, because we're working on the code every day. We do use the commit messages, but I don't know about y'all. I look at the commit code, not the commit messages. The commit messages are often comments, even when they're well formed like that. But we're not doing that.
Okay, I do still follow this commit will.
Yes.
And then, what will it do? It's a high level, quick summary of what you did.
Yeah. So we try to word on our group, we try to word the messages, this commit will, then that's your commit message. Back to the test that we realized we missed.
We try to put an example of that, like this commit will.
Yeah. I don't actually put this commit will on my commit message, but that's how I started in my head. And
but yeah, I'm a fan of the storm. I mean, I love the standard, right? The commit message standard. Haven't never used it on a project, but boy, if you're going to do, here's the thing, it's a great idea. And if you're going to start writing tools to look at and analyze your commits, it's a wonderful thing to do. But we're not doing any of that. We're trying to deliver value to our customer. And so as a result, it's a great idea, but we're not doing that. Now, on a large project with lots of history, it would be handy to have those kind of things. But yeah. I don't tend to look at commit messages over time myself.
I should say this slide, by the way, is based upon real data. We actually have run some scripts to see, well, how often are we committing on this one of these projects? And that number 48 was the average. And we were assessing a company, large company, and looking at many teams and how often they committed, and these numbers came out. And so they're obviously very, very small numbers of commits per day in terms of how we think of it. So they're not, we even call it micro commits because it's very micro, little things, even a variable name change,